What's the meaning of ataxia? Ataxia. Ataxia.
Ataxia. Ataxia. Ataxia is a medical term that refers to a condition affecting the movement and coordination of muscles. Patients with ataxia often experience difficulty performing voluntary movements, such as walking or picking up objects. This is due to damage or dysfunction in the cerebellum, the part of the brain responsible for controlling movement. Ataxia can result from a number of different causes, including genetic disorders, infections, and trauma. The symptoms can range from mild to severe and may worsen over time. Treatment options depend on the underlying cause of ataxia and may include medications, physical therapy, and surgery.